The struggle for freedom is absolutely incomplete without celebrating the women who participated fearlessly for the nation from every religion, every community. The participation of women was never less and had a huge impact. Many women played as important roles in the India's freedom struggle as the man did. So today, let's talk about some superwomen and how they gave selfless sacrifices and even laid their lives to see their nation free and prospering. Lakshmi Bai, the Rani of Jhansi, was an Indian queen of the Maratha princely state of Jhansi in North India. She was one of the leading figures of the Indian Rebellion of 1857 and became a symbol of resistance to the British Raj for Indian nationalists. She was one of the leaders of the First War of Independence and holds her place in history as a fearless warrior. After her husband and young son died, she decided to take up arms to fight a law according to which Jhansi could be annexed into the British Empire. Aruna Asaf Ali, she is popularly known as the Grand Old Lady of the independence movement. She was an Indian independence activist and a freedom fighter who is best known for hosting the Indian National Congress flag at the Gowalia Tank Maidan in Bombay during the Quit India movement. She also took part in the Salt Satyagraha movement as well as other protest marches and was imprisoned. She organized political prisoners and protest against the ill treatment given in the prisons by launching a hunger strike. Sarojini Naidu has been termed the Nightingale of India, as it was through her poem that she inspired many Indians to fight the British and to stand up for their rights. The remarkable Cambridge-educated woman was a follower of Gandhi, actively propagated the non-cooperation movement, became the president of the Indian National Congress and also the governor of the United Provinces. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, while she may not be as famous as her brother Jawaharlal Nehru, she holds an esteemed place amongst those who fought for India's freedom. During the freedom struggle, she actively took part in politics to try and influence the treatment of Indian and was imprisoned by the Raj on 3 separate occasions. Lakshmi Sehgal was a former Indian Army officer called Captain Lakshmi. She picked up a gun for Indian National Army founded by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and led it like a tigress in the struggle of freedom. She was in charge of establishing and leading the Rani of Jhansi regiment, comprising women soldiers. Also before joining the INA, she had served a sentence in Burma prison for her role in World War II. Begum Hazrat Mahal, also called as Begum of Awadh, was the second wife of Nawab Wajid Ali Shah. After her husband has been exiled to Calcutta, she took charge of the affairs in the state of Awadh and seized control of Lucknow. She organized an army of women and placed Uda Devi as its commander. She actively took part in the revolt of 1857 against the doctrine of lapse. Savitribai Phule was an Indian social reformer, educationalist and a poet from Maharashtra. She is regarded as the first female teacher of India. Along with her husband Jyotirao Phule, she played an important role in improving women's rights in India. She is regarded as the mother of Indian feminism. Phule and her husband founded one of the first Indian girls' schools in Pune. Abadi Bano Begum was a prominent voice in the Indian independence movement. She was also known as Biamma. Begum was one of the first Muslim women to actively take part in politics and was a part of the movement to free India from the British Raj. Kasturba Gandhi was an Indian political activist married to Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi in 1883. In association with her husband and son, she was involved in the Indian independence movement in British-ruled India. She first involved herself in politics in South Africa, later left South Africa and returned to live in India. In spite of Kasturba's chronic bronchitis, she continued to take part in civil action and protest across India. She worked on the welfare of women in Champaran, Bihar, where Gandhi was working with indigo farmers. She took part in non-violent protests against the British rule in Rajkot after the women in the city specifically asked her to advocate them. Although we have so many names and there's a lot to say over here, the contribution of women has always been immense and worthy for the nation. We have a never-ending list, so this is for all the fearless women who had made the nation proud and whose names can never be forgotten.